Come test drive this 2007 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.